Well, this numerical is on relative velocity. A jet airplane traveling at a speed of 500 km per hour. So, the speed of the jet airplane moving in the upward direction is 500 km per hour, and it ejects its products of combustion. So, products of combustion are definitely ejected in the downward direction, that is in a direction opposite to the direction with which the jet airplane is moving. So, it is ejected at a speed of how much? 1500 km per hour relative to the jet plane. So, this is with respect to a person sitting in the jet plane, or so jet plane is also in motion, the products of combustion are also in motion. So, whenever both the reference frames are moving, you should always take into account the relative velocity. So, the relative velocity of the products of combustion with respect to the jet plane is given as 1500 km per hour. Here both the reference frames are in motion. What is the speed of the latter? Latter in the sense it is the products. So, you have to calculate the speed of the products with respect to an observer on ground. So, we know the speed of the products respect to a frame of reference that is in motion, which is the jet plane, whereas we do not know the same speed, that is the speed of the products with respect to an observer on the ground. Now, ground is a reference frame which is at rest since it moves with a uniform motion. So, the acceleration of the ground is always 0. Therefore, we assume it to be at rest. So, this is a reference frame that is at rest. So, you have to calculate the velocity with which the products are moving with reference to a frame that is at rest. So, how do we go about this? It's very simple. You have to just keep in mind that opposite directions should be written with a negative sign. So, we know that the velocity of a jet airplane is 500 km per hour. Now, this is in kilometer per hour. If you want, you can convert that into meter per second, or what you could do is you could find out the final answer and then convert that into meter per second. So, I will just keep it in kilometer per hour. So, I will call the jet plane, that is the velocity of the jet plane denoted by the subscript J, capital J, 500 km per hour, and the speed of the products with respect to the jet plane, since it is with respect to a reference frame that is moving, that is Vpj. So, this is also in motion, this will be, and the products move in a direction opposite to that of the direction of the jet plane. So, I denote it by minus. So, why do you have a minus sign? The minus sign signifies that the products are moving in a direction opposite to the direction of the motion of the jet plane. So, this is 1500 km per hour. But by definition of relative velocity, Vpj can be written as mathematically Vp minus Vj. Okay, what's the value of Vpj? So, minus 1500. This is equal to how much is Vp? We do not know, that is the velocity of the products that we have to find out, minus velocity of the jet plane is given, that is 500. So, this will be minus 1500. So, if I bring it on the left hand side, minus becomes plus, this will be 500, this is Vp. So, this is minus 1000 km per hour, this is Vp. So, this is the velocity of the products is minus 1000 km per hour. But why do you get a minus sign again? Because again it shows that negative sign indicates that the products of combustion are in an opposite direction to the motion of the jet plane. Right. Now if you want, you can just convert that into meter per second. So Vp is actually just 1000 km per hour. The minus sign only tells you that it is, the magnitude is 1000. So yeah, so if I have to convert it into meter per second, I'll have to multiply it by 5 by 18. So it is 2 9s are, and you have 2 5s are 10. So this is approximately 2500 divided by 9. So if you simplify this, you get 9 3s are 27, so it will be 9 2s are 18. So you got 7 70, 9 7s are 63, and then 70, right? So 277.7. This is approximately 278 or 277.7 meter per second with a minus sign, because that minus sign tells you it is moving in a direction opposite to that of the direction of the jet plane. The magnitude is just 277.7 meter per second.